Hey guys, welcome back to another video of HKP Tuning. My name is Phil and today we'll be installing this Vektor display in this Mk7 Golf. Alright, coming with the kit. Not just the display, which is really cool, made in Germany, one of the first ones that actually came to the US, will be installed in this particular vehicle. It comes with trim tools, obviously a German-English instruction manual. All the cables you need to have, we need to take off the trim, run the wire into the canvas in the area on the front end under the steering wheel column. Anyway, let me get started. Let me take the trim off and see where we go from here. There's a lot of clips around this panel, so make sure that you're careful, take your time so you're not breaking any clips. All right, now that the trim is out, now we got to remove the vent from the unit. So we're going to use the trim tool as well, just because there's a lot of small little clips that will hold the unit together with the trim. And then we'll replace it with this touchscreen. Display is in. Now we're gonna make sure we run the wire from here all the way to the canvas and connect the VCU. It is hot today. I don't know how hot it is in this car, but it feels like it's 130. So now what we gotta do is find our way to the driver side well. All right guys, we just finished the install on the Vektor display in Brandyn's Mk7. A little bit to the function on the display. So as you can see, the Vektor really did a great job trying to make it an OEM-like feeling. So it really does look like it belongs into the vehicle. Instead of having 3 or 4 different devices that you will need to do all these kinds of functions, so I'll be going just shortly through them. So one, you obviously have your dashboard, so you have your air intake temperature, you have your pedal position, you have your oil temperature. They're all customizable, so you can actually choose what you like in the car to be displayed. You can also do not just displaying everything, just like I showed you right now, in order to see on the display, but you can also have it just like a Draggy, have times being taken. We have the chance to actually do some coding on the car. So if your seatbelt, for example, you want to have the beep active or inactive. In this case, Brandyn said, I want it inactive. We can actually, as simple as that, code the car and just go with the home button, the Vektor button back into the display. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So thank you for sticking with us. Again, we're going home now, probably jumping into the pool with 113 degrees outside. We need a shower. Thank you for joining. See you next time. I'm Phil with HKP. If you like what you just saw today, subscribe down here, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Take care.